was going out into a high school, and it was my first ever time sharing my story, my experience. And I was like, all right, if I could just help one person, like that's what I'm doing this for. And after the presentation, the teens came up and they thanked me and they loved it, and they were leaving, and this one girl stayed behind, and I could tell that she was just like upset. And she came up to me and she didn't say anything, but she lifted her arms and she showed me fresh self-harm wounds from the night before. And I took her down to the counselor, and she had never talked to the counselor before. None of the staff at the school knew that she was struggling like that. And that was the first time that she ever really talked about what she was going through. And then she was able to make ongoing appointments with the counselor after that.
When a teen or young adult has a mental health crisis, everything can just blow up real quickly. We're so excited to partner with notMYkid. They are a growing and very impactful organization here in the Valley. They serve almost 100,000 parents and children and young adults every year. And our partnership is really around supporting parents and supporting teens and young adults on how to navigate this crazy healthcare system.
We know that if we can get in early, before people have really developed relationships and before their whole brain development has taken place in the presence of these substances, then we can sort of reset their trajectory and get them on the correct path to go forward, to go on to whatever they want to do, whether that be working at a job in the community, going to a trade school, a university, whatever they want to do.
If a family is struggling and their teen is struggling with substances or mental health challenges, the last thing that a parent needs to worry about is how they're going to pay for it. So it's our goal to be able to come in and support and help these families and alleviate that burden off of the parent.
We have a bold goal of increasing access to affordable health care to 100,000 individuals in Maricopa County by 2026. And it's these types of partnerships where we're providing the resources for them to do their job. They're the ones on the front lines doing the great work, and they're taking our resources, our counsel, if you will, and bringing it all together and breaking down those barriers for these populations to achieve great health outcomes.